Meet the Shieldeck Glowtrap, the smart and easy way to protect indoor areas from annoying flying insects. So you can enjoy a buzz-free space anytime, anywhere. Just plug it in and you will have your Shieldeck protection no matter where you are, in the kitchen, in your bedroom, or the office. We'd rather have you not exposed to harmful bacteria and diseases flying bugs can carry. Plus, it looks super cool with its gentle glow and stylish design. Built with the most advanced pest control technology available, the Glowtrap creates a genetic response flying insects can't resist, combining an attractant UV light with a powerful yet silent vacuum turbine. The Glowtrap is deadly effective for eliminating those unwanted insect invaders. The best part is, it not only catches mosquitoes, it also catches gnats, flies, fruit flies, moths, and wasps.